Welcome to Stage 2 Science and welcome to Mrs. Cannell's Science in the Kitchen. Okay, today we're going to focus on the three forms of matter. And the three forms of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. And you know from the video that we have a component, which is water, which we're going to investigate what it looks like in all three forms. So to start off, we're going to start with water in the form of liquid. And we can see water here in its liquid form. And I'm going to add it to this container. And when it's in a liquid form, water takes on the shape of the container. We're going to add the liquid form of water into the freezer. And by cooling it, we're going to see what form it comes to next. Now that the water has been in the fridge for a while, we'll take it out and we'll see that it's frozen and it is now in a solid form. And this solid form of water is called ice. The solid form of water, known as ice, has taken the same shape as the container it was in. But now, rather than changing to different shapes, it is solid. We can see we can move it around, we can pick it up, and it is one mass, solid. So now we're going to take the solid form of water and we're going to add heat from the stovetop and we're going to see what happens. Because remember, we're investigating what happens when we add and remove heat to an item. We can see now that the ice, which was solid, has completely melted and has become liquid again. And as we continue to add heat from the stove to the water, we'll see something else happen to the matter here. And as the water starts to boil, we can see that it is turning into gas form. And this gas is water vapour. And we can see the water vapour forming on the lid of the pot here. As that water vapour condenses, it will again form into the liquid form. So we'll get so much water vapour on the lid that it will form droplets, and this might take a little while, and those droplets will become liquid again. So we can see here that water does in fact take all three forms of matter. So what you are going to do now is you are going to complete three scientific drawings of what we have seen. You saw the water as liquid, you saw the water as solid in ice, and you saw the water as gas, as water vapour. And you need to draw three scientific drawings in your science book. Remembering with our scientific drawings, we use a lead pencil, we use a heading to label what we are doing, we label our diagram to the right, and our guidelines do not have arrows.